Aloha and welcome to this module on coding standards. This is a big module. This is a module where you're going to have to integrate a lot of information that you've been working on all semester plus add some new stuff. As you can see from the learning outcomes, right? There's a lot going on here in this module. So I want to stress that you should get started early and spend some time on this stuff because you've got a lot to think about here. That said, in many ways this might be the most important module of the entire semester. I'm not going to lie, because really if there's one single thing you want to do to improve the quality of the code that you write, it's to enforce a high quality coding standard, and that's exactly what this module is going to show you how to do. In particular, not only show you what a high quality coding standard might look like, which is the Airbnb style guide, but also we're going to install a tool called ESLint into your system. We're going to integrate it with IntelliJ, and then we're going to find out how you actually use that tool while you're doing development to find and fix JavaScript errors as they occur before you even send it off. So it's incredibly this is incredibly powerful stuff, but it does take a certain amount of fiddling around to get all these different pieces to work together. Definitely watch this Introduction to Coding Standards to give you some motivation. It's not very long. And then there's a reading about the coding standards that we're going to use. It involves both IntelliJ IDEA code layout preferences, ESLint, Airbnb, a standard ESLint .ESLintRC file that we'll use for this class, and then actually we're going to kind of be disabling some of the IntelliJ inspections just so that they don't get you confused by what you need to fix and what you don't need to fix. And then having set all that up, then you'll have a variety of different experiences that help you get comfortable using this stuff. So we start off and just create an IntelliJ project, and then you're going to import this, copy and paste this code. Looks okay, right? In fact, there's like almost 30 different coding standard violations just in this short period of code, short amount of code. You can try to fix it. You should try to fix it, and then you can watch this if you want to get some help. There's no submission for this particular experience, nor is there any submission for this experience. This is the experience that kind of teaches you how to set up ESLint and integrate into IntelliJ and so forth. So it takes a little while to get through. I think it should be pretty clear. If you run into any problems with it, then just go to Slack. Then we have the actual practice WODs. The actual problems that you solve are pretty simple. On the other hand, you've got to make sure that you've got those solutions conform to our coding standards, and that's what kind of elevates the complexity. Plus, we're creating GitHub repos and committing and so forth. So now we're really trying to integrate everything together. Got a couple practice WODs like that. Finally, you get a chance to reflect on all you've learned this week and write a compelling, provocative, and amusing technical essay on your experiences. So I'm super psyched about this module. I think it's a really important component of being a software engineer, and I'm really delighted for you all to learn it.